Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to move conversations in your Slack workspace to keep your sidebar organized and your most important chats front and center. Step 1. Create a custom section. Before you can move your conversations, you need a home for them. In 2026, Slack uses custom sections to group channels and DMs together. Hover over the Channels or Direct Messages header in your left sidebar, click the three dots, More, and select Create New Section. Give your section a name, like Project Alpha or Daily Chats, and add an emoji to make it stand out. These sections act like folders, allowing you to collapse or expand groups of conversations so your sidebar doesn't get cluttered with a giant list of names. Step 2. Move conversations via right-click. Once your section is ready, you can move any channel or DM into it with just a couple of clicks. Find the conversation you want to move in your sidebar, right-click on it, and hover over Move Conversation. A list of your custom sections will appear. Simply select the one you just created. The conversation will instantly jump from the general list into your new folder. This is purely a visual change for your sidebar. It doesn't affect where the channel appears for your teammates. Step 3. Organize via drag and drop. For a faster way to reorder your workspace, you can move conversations manually to fine-tune your priority list. Click and hold any channel or DM, then drag it directly into or between your custom sections. You can also drag entire sections up or down to change the hierarchy of your sidebar. For example, you might want your Urgent section at the very top and General at the bottom. If you move a conversation and want to put it back, just drag it back to the original Channels or Direct Messages header to ungroup it. And that's pretty much it. To move conversations in 2026, create a custom section via the sidebar menu, then right-click any channel to select Move Conversation or simply drag and drop them into your preferred groups. This keeps your workspace clean and ensures you never lose track of high-priority discussions. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.